Hi, I'm Jason Putnam with InProSeal, and in this video, I'm going to talk about the InProSeal paper machine roll, or PMR, bearing isolator, designed specifically for the pulp and paper industry. Paper machine rolls are at the core of the paper-making process, but sealing them effectively presents a unique set of challenges due to the problematic conditions of the paper mill environment. Conventional sealing methods often fall short due to moisture, harsh chemicals, heavy loads, and high temperatures. Lip seals are commonly used in paper machine rolls, but are prone to leakage and failure in these challenging conditions. This can lead to expensive repairs and plant downtime. The PMR bearing isolator is the most effective sealing solution for paper machine rolls, as they are specifically engineered to tackle the unique challenges of these applications. The InProSeal PMR bearing isolator is a non-contacting, non-wearing design that provides high-performing bearing protection by permanently protecting against contamination ingress and lubrication loss. Its innovative design utilizes an integral heavy-duty flinger that rotates with the roll, preventing moisture and other contaminants from entering the bearing housing, while also ensuring lubrication stays inside the bearings where it belongs. Another feature is its large expulsion port, which captures high amounts of moisture or contaminants trying to enter the bearing housing and expels them into the atmosphere. The PMR bearing isolator is IP66 rated, making it suitable for heavy washdown environments. In addition, its non-contacting design does not rely on contact with the shaft to create a seal, so it won't groove or wear the shaft, causing expensive damage. The PMR bearing isolator ensures protection against water and contaminants, even in the harshest paper mill environments. Paper mills worldwide have experienced the tangible benefits of the PMR bearing isolator, from reduced maintenance costs to increased uptime and improved overall efficiency. To learn more about this innovative bearing isolator design, visit impro-seal.com.